In this video, how to check your tire pressure by a Mazda CX-3 or other cars / vehicles. Open the door. On the tire there is a sticker with the right tire pressures. This is a tire pressure tool. I got this from my local tire shop a few years ago. To check the pressure, remove the cap from the valve. This tire had 35 psi. It's not enough. This is the total filling up. "35 psi, 2.0 bar. I need 2.5 bar. That's enough. That's so easy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.